Sunday, May 24th, 2026, Pentecost Sunday. Focus. Peace be with you. As the Father has sent me, even so I'm sending you. Once I was abruptly asked to pray at a First Communion party. I was not really in a prayerful frame of mind. There was turmoil inside and around me while pop music blared out. Then I closed my eyes and remembered today's gospel. I praised Jesus in my inner room and felt his peace amid the din. And the Spirit of the Lord gave me utterance to pray. When we acknowledge that God reigns supreme in whichever storm we face and surrender to him, we experience his peace. The evil spirit that is whispering negative words in our ear is overcome, and we start speaking the language of victory. That is what happened at Pentecost. When the disciples forgot their fears and spoke boldly in the power of the Spirit, the assembled crowd were amazed and astonished. However, the good work we do using the Spirit's gifts could give us a holier-than-thou attitude, thus disrupting peace among the faithful. If so, we ought to remember that it is the same God who empowers them all in everyone. When Jesus is at the center of all that we do and say, his comforting presence is manifested by peace of mind and heart. Fruit, I will go forth and spread God's kingdom, empowered by his spirit of peace, not by my ego.